How to shop for the best face mask. There are some important things to keep in mind while shopping for mask, which we detail in our guide to buying face mask. In short, the CDC has outlined 5 criteria to keep in mind. Number 1, face masks should fit snugly and comfortably. Number 2, they must be secured with ties or ear loops. Number 3, they should comprise multiple fabric layers. Number 4, you should be able to breathe without restriction while wearing the face mask. Number 5, you should be able to wash the face masks without causing damage or losing the face mask shape. Consumers shopping for masks should pay attention to the effectiveness of a face mask's filtration and how breathable its materials are, says Chun-Yue Cai, MPH, a professor of global health and health management and policy at the University of Oregon. Unfortunately, these two factors work against each other. The best filtration materials are very difficult to breathe through, he said. Therefore, you have to weigh the balance of these two factors to find the best possible mask. Wake Forest School of Medicine's Scott Siegel, whom we consulted for our face mask buying guide, advised to look out for fabric quality when shopping. He recently led a peer-reviewed study that tested the effectiveness of different fabrics in filtering out particles. The most effective design, he said, was a dual-layer mask which included both a heavyweight cotton layer and a lighter cotton or silk layer. Some of these cloth items being sold are focused only on the decorative or artistic aspect, said Siegel. You need to think about the effectiveness and the public health aspect of it. Please subscribe News Around channel for more interesting videos.